Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go through how to enter weekly statistics for your church. To begin, go ahead and log on into Unity Web. Once at the main menu, any church to which you have access should appear. Go ahead and click the link of the church you want to work with. Once at the church profile screen, scroll on down. You'll see a link for weekly statistics. As the link implies, this used to be known as vital signs. Once on the weekly statistics page, you'll see that there's a section for each year for which we have electronic records for your church. Under each year section, there'll be a point for each month where you can view its report. For the most recent months, you'll see a link to edit data for that month. Unity Web allows users to create or edit attendance and other weekly statistics for 6 months after the date. Go ahead and click the month you want to work with. As you can see, the format has changed from UEC. Under weekly statistics in Unity Web, you may work with an entire month at a time. Each week is represented as a column. The first section is attendance. Listed are all the different church services which have been entered in for your church. For each church service and each week, there are attendance records for number of adults, children, nursery attendance, as well as an optional area for a brief note regarding that service. After individuals' church service attendance, there is a summary statistics area for the week. As you can see, I've entered in statistics for the first 3 weeks of this month, and I need to enter in statistics for the final week. I would go through and enter in any of this information as required. When ready, I would hit the Submit button. If you wish to edit the church services available, either to add a new, remove an old, and so on, you can use the Edit Church Services button. In this menu, you'll see a list of all church services available for your church. For each church service, we track whether it is online or in person, labeled church, whether it is a special service, and whether it is inactive. Special services are those that aren't intended to be held every week. As you can see, for this church, we have 2 standard services, an online worship and a 10:30 a.m. worship service. We also have several special services that happen only certain times of the year. If desired, you may deactivate any special service by unclicking the checkbox. Note that this does not remove statistics for any services, any of these special services. It merely hides the records for months where they don't apply. Now, if I go back into August, my attendance window is much smaller because all of the other services are no longer visible. Bear in mind, if I were to go back to Easter, that these services would show. Next Easter, if I wish them to pop back up again, all I need to do is go back into Edit Services and reactivate them. Once I've finished editing any statistics I wish, I may view the report for that month. The report shows as follows and can be exported to PDF or printed. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.